what do we do when it's time to reapply? And we've got our SeaVee here that we did the initial application 2.5 years ago. And at that point, we did all the heavy lifting. We removed all of the oxidization. We buffed the surface many times to get the shine up. But now that we've still got shine on the surface, all we have to do is really clean up and restore some of that, take any of the imperfections that are on there off, clean up the surface, bring the shine back up. So we're going to use a very light pad and our medium nano compound here. And the best part about this compound is it has a little bit of abrasion to take any scratches or scuffs off the surface, but it works very fine and it gives a great shine on the surface. So we're going to go ahead and do this little section here. Now that we've done that, we're going to come back and check how gloss the surface is with our gloss meter here. And we're up to 89.8 and 88.7. So now we've got a little bit more shine up into the surface. We've smoothed it out. We've taken out all those imperfections, and we're ready to go ahead and surface wipe and then reapply 2 coats of the coating.